Okay, Kai, let's do first the colors. Okay, what color is this?
Red.
Red.
Orange.
Orange. Huh?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Green.
Green. Oh, galing ah.
Blue.
Blue.
Purple.
Purple. Galing ah.
Pink.
Pink. And? Ha? Black and?
White.
White! How about this? My first animals. Let's see if he knew it. What is this? Cat. And what is this? Dog. And? Huh? What is this? Kangaroo. Huh? Speak up. What's this? Horse. Bingi si Mami. What's this?
Apple.
Ay, what's this, anak? This is a... Ay, naku, wala nang focus. Cow. What's this? Cow. And? Chicken. And? Pig. And? What's this? Frog. Galing nga. Okay. Ay, nako guys. And? What's this? Okay. Yeah, let's do the ABC. A. B. C. D. E. F. J. H. I. J. K. What's this? L. M. N. What's this, anak? Look.
Apple.
No, this one first. We'll finish it to the colors. What's this, anak?
Apple.
Octopus. And how about this? Show them. This is, after all.
Oh.
Okay, Albert, what is this?
Oh.
This is
Green.
P. Q. R. S. Yes, getting that. T. U. B. W. X. Y. S. Z. Great job! Well done! Galing ah. Diyos ko, anak. Dami mong ano, oh. Siya lang po yan, guys. We're done with the color. How about your favorite? Your favorite numbers? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, what's this? 1, 2, 3. What? 4. Huh? 5. 6. Kayo, how about this? 7. 8. 9. And 10. Clap your hands for yourselves. Yes. My clever boy. Yun lang, guys. Nako. Tingnan nyo, oh. Siya mismo. O, diba? Nakakatuwa. Perfect niya na siya. Wala pang 2 years old ang baby namin. 19 months siya, guys. So, nag-start siya ng 13 months na nalaman niya yung mga ABCDE. And then, with my support, of course. So proud of him. Yun na lang, guys, for now. And let's see what's next. Thank you for watching. Bye!